Alright guys, we got a box from the mail today, and I thought I wasn't going to be able to get it out of the mailbox because the lock was stuck. So I took my channel locks. I'll throw that clip in here. I literally thought I snapped the key, but I'll show you guys that clip right now. Alright, so the mailbox isn't opening. It's literally stuck. So we're going to see if we can persuade it. Suck on that. So that was opening up the mailbox. And I've been waiting for this probably an extra week. It was supposed to get here like a week ago. Got delayed. I thought it got lost in the mail. And this was very expensive. Probably the most expensive thing one of the most expensive things I've ever bought. Besides the like massive eBay bundles for like $3,000. So this is probably like the second most expensive thing. And I was worried it was gone forever because it literally just said no destination, and it was supposed to get here like a week ago. But then it finally updated and it was in Hawaii, and then it got to Portland, and now it is here. And I don't know why this box is so big, but maybe there's some extra stuff in here, maybe. Not counting on it, but maybe. There is a few lineman pliers in here, and these are, if you can read the title of the video, some of the rarest tools probably out there, or at least of its kind. So there is a 1 of 1 in here probably, and a 1 of 2. So let me go ahead and get this out of here. We're gonna have a mess on our hands here. It's a bunch of peanuts. Okay, that's just gonna be what it's gonna be. So this is from Tommy again. There's now peanuts literally everywhere. So this is the first one right here. You might think, hey, what's so rare about this? This is just an ordinary lineman, but it's not just any ordinary lineman. Let me see if this is even in the shot. So this is a 125th anniversary lineman pliers that is not chromed. So that's rare in itself. Oh my gosh, there's another one. I'm so dumb. Sorry, I'm just waking up. So this is a 125th anniversary edition. Unchromed. And it has a double misprint on it. So this is double lasered. As you can see, double lasered. There's a 125 written on there twice. Everything is just, the whole logo is just printed twice on it. And then it is not chromed. So this is probably a 1 of 1. Just a raw metal 125th anniversary set of lineman's pliers. So there's that one. And the second one, I'm gonna let you guess what this one is. It's another 125th anniversary. But this one is also rare because it's not your ordinary 125th anniversary. Like I said, there's only 2 of these that we know of in existence. And there it is. It is a gold or probably a brass coating. I don't even know if these are openable. Looks like they're kind of just, they might have been, I don't know if these are dipped after or before, but 125th gold plated or brass plated, however you want to look at that. Very cool. Oh my gosh, paid a premium for these bad boys. So yeah, 125th year. And like I said, well, I didn't say it yet, but these are exactly like the ones you just saw, except the other ones were no coating, and normally they're silver or chrome plated or nickel or whatever. And then these are 1 of 2 that we know of. There are only 2 of these in the community, and I just got one of them. So extremely cool. I don't know if they actually work. I mean, they look, I don't know why I can't really open them, but maybe it's just because of the coating back there that made it extra tight on the jams or whatever, but it is pretty stuck shut, but very cool pliers. So happy to add these to the collection. So yep, that's about it. And then I think this box was kind of, I don't know if this was like a different, I heard this was like a different bag or something that was different about this bag than the other bags, but anyways, I've never had a bag before, so that's cool. And yeah, so those are my 2 recent purchases. The gold plated 125s and the non-plated 125s with the double misprint logo. So very cool. And see if we got any other content coming up for you guys. But anyways, thank you guys so much for watching. I will see you guys in the next one. As always, God bless. Don't forget to like and subscribe. I'm trying to hit 100K in my lifetime, so we got some work to do. But see you guys in the next one. Subscribe if you want to see some more content. Love you guys. Peace.